Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into Mr. Number app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So come, let's dive into it. The Mr. Number app is pretty good for cutting down on spam calls. It lets you block individuals' number, entire area code, or even specific patterns. You also get reverse lookup for caller ID and community reported spam, which help you filter out annoying or unwanted calls. But things have changed. It's moved to a subscription model which upsets some long-term users, and there are still reports of calls slipping through or performance issues, and the paid hide is more expensive than some alternatives. So in my opinion, I think if you get a tons of calls and you want a customizable or powerful blocker, Mr. Number is worth using, especially if you are okay paying for advanced protection. But if you've been using a free version for years, the switch to paid may feel like a letdown. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.